You're right there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes, and today I'll be showing you around this lovely Kawasaki Versys 1000. So here it is, it's a 2019 on a 19 plate with 14,654 miles on the clock. Absolute lovely machine, this one. Finished in this really nice orange, don't see many about in this colourway. Of course, LED headlights, LED indicators, you've got that really nice airflow screen on there as well. Comes with frame protection, you get a rad guard on there as well. Free box luggage with the backrest as well, which is a really nice addition, especially if you are planning on doing some touring. Versys 1000 branded custom comfort seat. You of course, in typical Kawasaki fashion, get adjustable traction, you get the power modes on there, get the cruise control as well. All round a very beautiful bike. Obviously it comes with handguards as well, just to keep that wind off you. Very nice bike, can't see it hanging around long at all. If you are interested, just come on down and give us a call. Thank you very much.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.